Hello everybody, Albanides Konstantinos here, and I wanted to show you very fast um, how you can, because I'm uh, investigating and checking many AI programs, mostly those with video creation, and I find them amazing. The one that I'm checking at the moment, and it's really amazing. It's this FlexClip. Seems like it has so many options that it gives you the ability to create anything easily and very very fast. To this video I created, I just added my fever gig, and it created a full video. I just had to change some videos from the. You see, it added some videos here, and in any case, you can change those videos and you can add something else. To this point that I'm preparing at the moment, uh, I have everything done. But if you play the
Customer
music,
satisfaction.
you see, let me go back here to show you here to timeline. It just took the main picture that I'm using to Fever, okay, because it's all about the Marvel remover. Okay, I'm gonna just open here the subs to see how easy it is. I just moved it a little bit up, okay, and you see that it created everything. It pulled everything from the Fever gig, and it created this video. Uh, at the same moment, I had the ability to change some videos and select other videos that I enjoy and like. The point is that
I'm
you see,
Costas, a highly experienced word.
I'm Costas, but it created the video using a female narrator. So this video is gonna be how we can change this narrator to whatever we like. Okay, if we go here, um, let me show you to the subtitles. I can see the subtitles, and it automatically adds a narrator. Okay, I didn't ask about a narrator, but it's asking, it is adding that, and it's adding music too, because you can even change the music. You can change the narrator here, you see. But the point is, I'm gonna choose here uh, to speech. I'm gonna have to choose a guy. Okay, I'm gonna select a guy, male. Voice style, I can add cheerful or a new cast. You see, and I can try it.
20 years of expertise in the field.
In fact, I have to regenerate first. Let me generate the narrator first, and we're gonna see the result together. You see, it's very fast and extremely fast. You see, let me
in the
just
field.
try.
As a dedicated freelancer, I am committed to providing.
Okay, it created the narrator for the first part, as you can see, and it kept the woman female here. I'm gonna just delete here the woman narrator. Okay, I can just use del from the keyboard. Okay, let me see, because I have some other stuff here. Let's try to see what we have created.
A highly experienced WordPress developer with over 20 years of expertise in the field. As a dedicated freelancer, I am committed to providing top-notch services with a focus on speed, reliability, and customer satisfaction. My WordPress malware removal service is designed to ensure your website is clean, secure, and running smoothly. Comprehensive malware removal from your WordPress site. thorough security audit and vulnerability assessment, restoration of your website to its original state, implementation of robust security measures to prevent future attacks, detailed report of all actions taken and recommendations for future security.
I guess you all enjoyed it. It was really great. You see, it added a very interesting narrator, and I can even select something else. Okay, you see, there are Davies. We can try Davies. We can even.
You can be my person too. Okay.
You see, I can test it.
He
just
waved to
clicking here.
acknowledge the crowd, and then he waved again.
Cheerful.
There's nothing better than a cold drink on a hot day. I can't wait to see my favorite band.
Amazing.
It was so nice meeting everyone here.
Let's make it
What's
hopeful.
important is to be able to see the light through the darkness.
It's amazing. You see, let's try Andrew. Let's try Andrew here, and see.
Yes, that is what I said. A maximum strategy is the one that maximizes the minimum payoff of a player, regardless of what the other players do. It is a way of ensuring that the player gets at least a certain amount of pay.
It sounds amazing. Trust me, you get something special. You see how many voices it has here, AI voices. You can create anything. You can write anything here, and you get a perfect tool to create any kind of video using special voices and narrators. You can even try this tool FlexClip for free. I'm gonna just drop the link to the description and to the comments, so you can just click and create your own account and try and play with this amazing tool. You're gonna love it because you create videos in just really minutes. I could easily say seconds because it's really amazing. In fact, the only thing that it's gonna bother you is to choose what kind of audio you're gonna select or what kind of template you're gonna select, because it has amazing templates. Okay, I don't want to keep you longer to this video, so that you can have the time to have a look and investigate this amazing tool. I wish you the best, and I'll see you to the next video. Bye bye.